Okay, so now it's 5:36, but I watched this thing on conscious discipline, and I've actually heard of that before and been somewhat trained in that, and I just naturally do that, so that was just really reaffirming. But what I wanted to say was, ooh, it gave me chills. Um, they had they did a demonstration of the three parts of the brain, and like with a explanation, and it was just really valuable and like validating of, you know, if a child or your inner child, you know, is in the lower centers of their brain, then this is what you're going to see, like behaviors like this. This is what, you don't want to do, type of thing. And then, so that was the survival state. And then the middle state was the emotional state. And they showed how if they're in the emotional state, this is what it might look like. And it will be using language, but using it in a very mean way, basically. And then the executive state, which is what you want them to be in, you want to get them there, um, is when they can use their words and problem solve, basically. So it was just a good reminder of like, when you're triggered, don't try to problem solve because you're not in that part of your brain. That part of your brain is not being utilized. It was just really validating of, so for the example was, if I think it was like they didn't want to stand in line or something like that. They were mad at a kid or something. So the survival state, they're going to either push the kid, hit, or run away and hide. So like fight or flight, right? And then in the emotional state of that, they're going to be like, get out of my way, stupid, you're stupid, and like just be like that. And in the executive state will be like, I don't like when you touch me, don't touch me. So that they're using their words. And it's just really good to kind of see that in like in a video format and help the parts of my brain hear it, so they can integrate and realize that when we're in survival mode, we cannot be problem solving. We can't be problem solving, So the first step is to get out of survival mode. So that's another kind of, I was going to say affirmation. I'm very tired right now. But validation of, okay, that's why I can't be trying to solve problems when I'm truly scared. I need to like get myself feeling safe first. And that is why, one of the reasons why, when I'm tired or when I'm physically injured or when I'm sick, I don't feel safe. I feel like an easy target type of thing. So I've been working on telling myself and like tapping that like I am safe, you know? So for instance, right now I'm very tired. Well, I probably will do, I don't even know if I have time. I'll probably do a tapping, like a 10-minute tapping or something. And then however much fatigue I have, I am safe. I'm not operating heavy machinery, you know? So I can go slow. I can take my time. I'm not going to do an elaborate dinner and, possibly burn or cut myself because I'm not thinking. Because the thinking goes towards making sure my daughter is okay. So that always takes precedence, which it should. I just have no reserves right now. So I'm like, okay, so don't do something unnecessarily, that could be physically dangerous. Don't do that to yourself. Respect yourself. So, anyway, love you guys.